In this video, I will show you how to work in single crochet rib stitch. This stitch adds strength to your piece and creates a textured surface, and we use this stitch in our seabed basket. Today we'll be using our new wave yarn in bronzed olive, and also we'll be using a 6.5 crochet hook. So let's get started. This stitch is worked over 2 rows and combines single crochet with single crochet through the back loop. Starting with the wrong side row, chain 1 stitch, like so, and then work 1 row in single crochet through each stitch of your row, starting here. And once you've finished your row, turn your work over, and now you will work a right side row. So you need to chain 1 stitch again, and now instead of doing a regular single crochet stitch, we're going to be doing a single crochet stitch through the back loop. So if you look at the top here, you'll see it's in a V shape. You're now inserting your stitch through that back loop of the V, like so, and then completing a single crochet stitch like usual. So I'll show you that again, through this gap here and out through the back, and keep working this way through every stitch of your row. And there you go. Just repeat these 2 rows to make up your single crochet ridge stitch. Ta-da!